Right now, we're seeing a notable sentiment score of plus 0.24 in music, a significant uptick compared to the historical baseline. While momentum is flat at plus 0.00, the 19 semantic clusters suggest a diverse range of emotions and themes emerging in current music trends. This spike in sentiment could indicate a shift in listener preferences or a collective mood, perfect for you to leverage in your application. Imagine using our API to analyze how recent releases resonate with audiences, tailoring your playlists or marketing strategies based on real-time emotional data. To explore how our Music Sentiment API can enhance your projects, visit pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Let's build something meaningful together.